Hello everyone, this is Rahul from EcomSutra, and in this video we are going to look into Loox. It's a popular Shopify review app which you will know because they have around 13,000 reviews with the average rating of 4.9. Now if you go into the details, they present themselves as a social proof solutions that helps you grow trusted brand using reviews and referrals. That's great. And they allows you to send automated review request email. They allow you to display reviews in beautiful widget. We will look into it, how beautiful these widgets are, and they are SEO optimized. They allows you to generate automated referral links, and also helps you increase order value by post purchase upsell. So we will look into it, and they offer 24/7 support, so it will be helpful for you as well, right? Now if you talk about the pricing, their pricing starts with $9.99, or you can say $10 per month, right, with a 14-day free trial. And in the basic plan you will be able to send 100 monthly review request emails. So basically they have a limited review request email for every plan. Okay, so let's see their detailed pricing plan. So the plan starts with $99 for the review, and if you want to add a referral feature as well, you will just have to pay additional $5, which is pretty much good, right? It's value for money. And so in the beginner plan you will be able to process 500 orders through your app. Basically it says that you will be able to track 500 orders and send the review request emails accordingly. And for the growth unlimited, so the basic plan is pretty much basic, very basic features but essential ones. So if you are just getting started, maybe the basic plan, the beginner plan will be great for you. But as you grow, you will either have to choose growth or the unlimited plan. Unlimited plan is quite pricey, and we will see if it is worth it or not. But yeah, it's the $40 per month is quite affordable, which is, and it's good for value of money as well. So look into it. We'll look into and see if it is worth it or not. So now without any further ado, let's dive into the Loox app. So this is the Loox app. Once you install this app in your store, this is where you will land. This is your dashboard, which is pretty much clean, pretty much simple, easy to navigate. You have three features: reviews, referrals, and upsell, which you can just dive from here. Click the arrows and you can also track from here also, and you can also navigate from this menu as well. Okay, so let's start with the reviews, see what they offer in the reviews. And in the first option you have various ways to collect reviews. First is the managing reviews. So you can set up if you want to auto publish new reviews. You can see if you want to auto publish all the reviews or just the positive one, like 5-star, 4-star, or 3-star, or never. Okay, you can also enable review notifications to one of your team member, or just add the email and you will receive notifications every time someone drops a review. Okay, next is the review timing. You can set after how many days of fulfillment or purchase or delivery the review request emails should be sent. Next is discount for photo and video reviews. So basically you can enable it to to give discounts to your customer for uploading a video or photo review. So you can either set up a percentage discount or a flat cash discount, single Shopify discount code. You can either set up a single discount code which will be sent to every customer to claim a discount, or it will be auto generated, and you can set up it after how many days it can be expired or never. So this is what we have in the review, in the discount section. Next is the manual review request. So it allows you to send a review request manually to any customer. So pretty much it's good, right? Another is emails. So you have different types of review request emails, so which you can customize it. So review request is this, and then the reminder and the photo reminder. You can remind customer to upload a photo. You can also send an email to remind them about the discount, offer them discount, or remind them, send a remind photo review. So basically these are all the emails related to the review request which you can customize. Okay, so you can add a banner which will be displayed on the email, and then here you can customize the subject, then the body, and the button as well. Okay, you can send a review request email to yourself to check how it looks, and let's see the sample how it will. Oh, so this is good, right? So if a customer purchases a product, they will get a product image as well. So you bought this product. If you want to write a review, and then yeah, the banner you can add here. So it's pretty much basic, very easy to use. So yeah, it's good to go. Next is the review form. You can customize the color, review theme color, order radius, and all these things, all the forms. If you want to change the text, you can change the text as well. So this is all you have. And finally, if you want to add custom questions to your reviews, you can add it as well. Now let's look into the display review section, like how it allows you to display. Okay, so they have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so they have 7 widgets to to display the review on your website, and and the eighth one is you can also create a review page, the customer testimonial page, to display all the happy customer reviews. So it's beautiful. So let's look at all the review widgets that it provides. Okay, so this is our product page. Okay, now here you will see that we have already added a review widget. It's a simple review widget, the product review widget, which you can customize from here. Okay, it allows you to customize if you want to display only reviews with the photos. Like you can choose if you just want to display the reviews with the product photos only. Next is the show reviews from all products. So if you just don't want to be specific about this product only, if you want to display the reviews from all the products, then you can enable it as well. Finally, you have this feature to customize for mobile display as well. So if you think that it won't look good on mobile, you can disable it. So it's good. You can also change the number of reviews to display for the mobile and for the desktop as well. So the review widgets are pretty much good. It allows you to customize and even optimize for the mobile displays. Now let's look at other widgets that it offers. So they have cards carousel, gallery carousel, on-site referral widget. We will look into it later. Product review widget, rating widget, testimonial carousels. So you can add all these widgets wherever you want. Okay, the rating widget. So we have already added a rating widget here. Okay, now here this is, so let me go to the desktop version. Okay, so basically we have added a rating widget, but since the product has no review, it's not displaying here. But see here, you can change the size, you can add a text as well, you can set up the alignment as well, text colors. So it offers you all the customization options that you will need to set up the review rating widget. Next is, yeah, similar to the rating widget, you can customize it. Okay, if you want to make it shorter, you can do it as well. So we can say that the Loox offers you everything that you need to display a review widget. It offers you multiple variations of the widgets and also the customization options. So it's pretty much great, and yeah, I love it. I liked it. Next is, let's look into what is okay. So you can also manage reviews. You can import the reviews and send manual requests. Okay, since we have no review in our store, so we can't show you that, but I think it's pretty simple. Now let's look into the import reviews. So if you are AliExpress dropshipper, you have a pretty simple way to import reviews to Loox. You just have to drag this button in your bookmark section, and then go to AliExpress product page. You want to import the reviews, click the import, and it will import. So yeah, if you are an AliExpress user, I think Loox would be the best review app that you will need. So yeah, it's great. Next is, you can also import reviews from other supported apps, which are Shopify product reviews, Yotpo, Zunip, Okendo, or Jasmy. Okay, you just have to select the app that you are already using. If you are using any review app, so you can choose and then upload the CSV file accordingly, and it will import it. Next is, you can also import from your spreadsheet. So basically you can export your existing reviews. If you are using any other app other than these, you can just export the reviews, copy the template file here, and then customize those reviews according to this template, and then upload it. It's pretty much simple. It should not be challenging for you. Okay, now let's look into the referrals feature. So yeah, so for the referrals, you can either choose two-sided incentive or one-sided incentive for the reward. Okay, so two-sided incentive allows you to reward your advocate as well. So like your existing customer who are your brand advocate, who are promoting your store, and their friend discount. So you can choose to either offer both of them a reward or just the one. So I think this would be the best way to go to two-sided incentive, because you want to incentivize the customers to to promote a product. So but still you can choose based on your strategy, and it's pretty simple, it's pretty basic and easy to use. And let's look into the widgets. So you have on-site referral widgets, you have post-purchase referral widgets, and the post-review referral offer. So with on-site referral widgets, let's look into this. So here's the widget, let's add it. So we have added here. Okay, so this is the on-site referral widget which you can display on any page of your store. Okay, you can customize it as well. You can add a image which will be displayed here, and then you can change the colors. If you don't want to display photo, you can select no photo as well. Okay, so if you choose no photo, then it will be like this, but I think photo will be better. And then you can adjust the width as well for mobile and desktop both. So it's great, it's very easy to use, but my thing is like they offer very simple. It just allows you to offer a cash or percentage discount, and this is not good. And even for your customer, you can't choose to offer them a percentage discount on their next purchase. So if you just want to set up a very basic referral program, then it would be great. But if you want to offer a very more advanced referral program, then you might have to consider other apps, for which I will add a link to our article and you can explore your options, but this is very basic. Okay, now let's look into the settings. So they have a fraud protection system which you can enable, like you can enable if to prevent advocate self reports. You can enable 30-second delay. Next is you can add social media image to promote your referral program. Great. Now they also have a referral emails which you can customize, on-site referral email. So this email will be sent to advocate who join through your on-site widget. Okay, post-purchase referral emails. So if a customer joins through a post-purchase widget, they have a different email. And then the advocate reward paid email. So they will be notified every time someone join through their referral links. So yeah, pretty much good. It's simple. So as I said, if you just want to set up a very basic, very simple referral program, then Loox might be a good app for you. Okay, next let's look into upsell. So here you can create multiple post purchase upsells. So we already have one. Let's see how we can add another one. Okay, now you have two triggers, only two. Okay, trigger this funnel for all the deals. So basically this trigger will be for all the products in your store, and this will allow you to select products. Either you can select a product. Okay, you can select specific product and then click continue, and here you can choose a product to upsell. Okay, then you can choose a product and what type of product you want to upsell for those selected products. Okay, so let's say we chose this, right? We chose this. So let's see, like for someone who bought this, we can choose to offer them Shopify guide for EcomSutra. Okay, so this is something we can do, or we can offer a special discount on this specific product. Percentage off would be great, like we can offer them a 10% discount. You can also display product reviews, use recent product reviews. Okay, quantity select, you can either enable if the customer can add buy multiple products with the same offer or not. You can also display a countdown timer. And then the free shipping, you can either choose to charge for shipping or offer free shipping. Okay, so see what you want to offer. And then the skip offer if the product is in original. Obviously, if a customer is already buying this product, it doesn't make sense to offer this, right? So set live. So yeah, now you have two post purchase upsell rules. You can add multiple upsell offer for different types of products and all. So I think the post purchase upsell of Loox is very basic, because you will have to manually configure upsell product for every product. You can not even select a category. Okay, right? So it will require a lot of manual effort, and there are other upsell apps that works pretty great. They use AI to recommend more appropriate products based on the customer behavior, their cart products and everything. So you may want to consider those apps over this. But yes, as I said earlier as well, if you just want a very basic feature for the referrals and upsell, then you can try Loox, and it is also good for someone who is just getting started. But my concern is about this pricing. Like, why this, like $599? It's pretty much expensive. I think these two plans are worth it. It's value for money, the beginner and growth. But for this, you may have to look for if it is worth it or for you or not. But it sounds expensive for me. Okay, now let's look into the branding options. So here you have two options for the branding. The general appearance, you can customize visual element to fit your brands. So you can choose a rating icon, and then just choose the color for your rating icons. Okay, the font widget, you can choose the fonts as well. Looks branding, you may want to keep it hidden. You don't want to show the brand, right? It should be by default hidden, but still okay. You can add your logo, and then here you have email appearance. So you can set up a email banner for a default email for every banner, and as you can see from each email, you can also customize. You can also change the banner for each email. So this would be a default email banner for the ones you want change. Next is, let's look into the integrations options. So they have pretty much good collections of integration, right? You can integrate your Loox reviews with Google Shopping, which is very important because you want to display your reviews on your Google Shopping as well. You can also connect your store to the Meta Shop to just display your photo reviews and display ratings. Okay, you can connect with your Twitter as well, Aftersheet as well, Klaviyo, Omnisend, Wiglot to offer multilingual reviews and all. Smile, Loyalty Lion for the loyalty program, Fleets to offer customer. It's a customer account page. It enables you to offer a more personalized customer account to your customer. Rise and other. So yeah, it has pretty much all the apps that you will need. But yeah, I would be expecting more options in the future. But yeah, this is also good. Next is orders. So let's look into it. It's a new feature. So let's see what it is about. You can track all your orders delivery status through orders tab. So basically you can track all the emails sent to your customers. So you can see if it is delivered, bounced or failed, and all sort of things, right? So yeah, it's good. Next is the settings. So let's see. Okay, you can set up localization, English, multilingual support. You can enable it. Okay, and then email reply address, you can set up your email so that if a customer send a reply to the customer, it will be delivered to that specific email address. Then you can customize the email footer as well, email compliance as well. Okay, so basically these features will allow you to be more transparent to your customers. And then you can select the themes to install the Loox app, and then the reviewer name format, you can customize how the reviewer name is displayed. Okay, and then the next external page, define allowed domains where you want to display Loox widgets. So you can select all the domains on which Loox reviews will be displayed. Okay, so yeah, this is all we have. So finally, I think Loox is great for the reviews. They allow you to collect photo reviews, video reviews, and text reviews, and offer you multiple widget options to display the reviews throughout your website. You can even create a happy customer page to display all your reviews, which is great. And even it allows you to send automated review request emails, offer discounts, and even you can send reminders as well. So it's great overall for the reviews. But when it comes to the referrals and upsells, then I think they have a long way to compete with the other existing apps which are really great with the referrals and upsells. Okay, I will add link to some articles in the description which you can read to explore other options for the referrals and upsells. But as I said, if you are just getting started, if you are someone who is new to Shopify with a limited budget, and if you want to avoid using multiple apps to manage the reviews and upsells and all, then maybe Loox would be a great app for you for the referrals and upsells as well. But if you are a growing store and you have a good budget, then Loox would be the best for your reviews, and you should explore other options for the referrals and upsells strategy. Okay, so that is all, and don't forget to hit the like button or subscribe to our channel for more upcoming reviews on Shopify apps and other e-commerce tech. That's all, and thank you for watching.